Hello and welcome. Do you want to sound more like a native speaker? Phrasal verbs are everywhere in English. Pick up, turn on, give up. They're short, funny, and super useful. In this video, I'll show you how to use them right, step by step. This is a busy morning. Let's learn some phrasal verbs. Anna wakes up at 7 a.m. She turns off her alarm. Then Anna gets up and goes to the bathroom. Anna is running late and she puts on her shoes quickly. Oh no, she runs out of time. Ben, hurry up, Anna says. They go out the door together. But they miss the bus. Let's review the phrasal verbs we saw. Wake up, turn off, get up, put on, run out, hurry up, and go out. Okay, quick quiz. Fill in the blank. I turn off my clothes, I take on my clothes, or I put on my clothes. Answer C, put on. I turn off the light, I hurry up the light, or I go out the light. Answer A, turn off. When I'm done sleeping, I wake up, turn off, or turn on. Answer A, wake up. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Try to use these phrasal verbs in a sentence below and keep practicing. See you next time. Bye.